This is Paul and I'm Shay. We've been taking you along our bus conversion and welcome back to weekend 88. This weekend we're moving to the back corner of the bus to install our water heater. Of course, starting by cutting yet another hole in our bus. Once the hole was cut, we sanded down the edges and hit it with some Rust-Oleum. Then we prepped the water heater cover by adding adhesive so it would create a nice seal once it was screwed in place. With the cover screwed into the bus, we could then work on getting the water heater into position. Once that was in place, we screwed the heater to the cover, and our water heater was in. But this was just the start for us, because now the second half of this video can be found on our page, so go check it out.